In this video you will learn about 5 home remedies for ear aches. You can use common items from your home as effective natural remedies for mild to moderate ear aches. Since most ear aches are caused by an infection in the ear, in more serious cases you should consult a doctor to ensure that the infection is not spread to other areas of the body. Here are 5 good home remedies for painful ear aches. Number 1. Garlic. Peel a few cloves of garlic and leave them to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Press them to extract the juice. Use an eyedropper to put 2 to 3 drops of the garlic juice into the ear. Leave it in for about 10 minutes and then drain. Number 2. Onion. Extract the juice and add a few drops to the painful ear. You can also crush a quarter of an onion, wrap it in a cloth, and hold the cloth over your ear for 10 minutes. Do this twice daily. Number 3. Ginger. Use a press to squeeze the juice out of fresh ginger root. Add a few drops to your ear twice a day. Another way to use ginger is to grate a teaspoon of fresh ginger into a tablespoon of olive oil. Leave to infuse for 20 minutes and then warm the oil slightly. Put a few drops into the painful ear. Number 4. Olive oil. Heat extra virgin olive oil until it's warm to the touch. It should not be too hot. Use an eyedropper to put 2 to 3 drops into the ear while lying down. Leave the oil in for 10 minutes and repeat twice daily. Number 5. Heat. Take a heat pack and heat it until it's hot, but not too hot to touch. Put it under your ear as you lie on the bed for 20 minutes. Repeat that twice a day for best results. If you don't have a heat pack, you can use a hot water bottle instead.